Hi guys, I am Radu Razvan. I am a stock photographer for 20 years and I run Provisualstock.com. Recently I changed my direction in my photographic activity and now I'm focused on producing high quality prints which can decorate very well your walls. To experience the feelings of a client, I order for the first time some prints from my website, and now I want to share with you the joy of discovering what contains this uh, box, which is full of prints. Let's see what is inside. Let's cut the strings. Oop. The prints are very well packed for not being damaged due to transportation. Very careful packaged. This time I order a small print, not very big, because was only to experience the feeling. Next time maybe I will show you some high dimension prints. I can print 150 centimeters is the maximum dimension which I offer through my website, but you always can contact me and if you want something special. Very nice here, very good protection, anti-shock protection. This is the print on aluminium. It's a print from Japan. I will describe it later. So it looks great, extremely great. The colors are fantastic. And here is the means of hanging on. It's on an aluminum surface. So this is one print. And in the box there are also another small package which contains probably some prints on paper. Oops. A different kind of package is this. Very safely. So these are the prints on paper. The paper is fine art print paper, very high quality with a very good reproduction of colors, and I hope it looks extremely well. And here are the prints. Wow. Looks very nice. The colors again extremely well represented, and the details very nice details. So these are the prints from the box. This one is a print from Japan with a taiko drummer, one of my most favorite subjects when I was in Japan. And it is extremely well represented on this print, which is on an aluminum surface, so it's a solid surface, very solid hanging system to put on your walls, and the print looks extremely well. I'm totally impressed, and I strongly recommend you to try this experience. It's extremely well, and I'm extremely pleased with it. And here is a print on a paper. This is a special paper, fine art paper with a very good color representation, and the details are fantastic. It's a sunset in La Défense, which is the main business district in Paris, in the periphery of Paris. On this print I put here my name and the name of the site, like a signature. The colors are also extremely well. You can put any kind of frame if you want, or you can put this print as you want on your walls. Again, very high quality. All these prints are very small, but they can be ordered also in high dimension. I can offer prints to 1.5 meters, like the biggest dimension, but the prints can be even higher, and if you want something special you can always contact me, and I am totally open to satisfy your needs. Thank you very much for watching and being close to me in discovering my first prints from my website. I wait you on Provisualstock.com. Thank you very much. Bye bye.